Tesla tried to go higher today. We closed at 334.09, up $4.73, 1.44%. Post-market, we seem to be going down a further 44 cents. So let's take a look at our bullish channel that we are following to see if it is still holding. If it's not holding on the top, this is good news. If it's not holding at the bottom, this is bad news. So this is the current bullish channel. This is the support. This is the area where the buyers are coming in. They are coming in. They are pushing the price up at this point. And the sellers are abdicating. We have people that make money on the way down. We have people that want to make money on the way up. This is the frontier where things are turning around. And this is the frontier on the top where things are turning around to go down. Here they are turning around to go up. Here they are turning around to go down. But as a whole, Tesla is going higher. It has been going higher. This is the rate of ascent. We spoke about it yesterday. This is the rate of ascent. And depending on when you buy, you can make money with this. You can make money with this knowledge that this is the rate of ascent. If you buy at the middle right here, you made money. Oh, you lose money. Oh, no, you are even, Steven. Then you lose, and now you make a little bit more money. Now you make money. Now you lose money. Now you make money, and you lose money. You catch my drift? If you buy at the support line, this is the best because then you make money. If it comes down to the same level, you are still up. You are still up because this is your entry point. You are still up at this point. You are still up here, you are still up, you are still up. So buying at support is interesting from this point of view, is that even if we have a big zigzag, you are still in the money. If you buy at the top, this is the worst. If you buy at the top, this is the worst. If you buy here, you lose money until you break even right here, make money on paper, and then you lose it on paper, you are break even, you make money, you lose it on paper. That catching up, you see that buying at the top of a channel is not the best idea. It is hard. It is hard on the emotions because you are looking at your account and you mostly see a negative number. At some point you see a positive number, but then it comes back down. So understanding the behavior of stocks is really important because you can manage when you buy. So buying towards the bottom is a great idea. So when are we going to come to the bottom? So Tesla's been coming down for the past 3-4 days. Today we are having a little bit of a move up, but we are still away from the bottom right here. Let's take a look at the 1-hour chart to understand how things happen. Yesterday, we saw that Tesla could not close above 331.40 right here, a small congestion zone. Boom, we had a break today. First hour of the day, we had a break. This was a buy signal on the 1-hour chart. We've talked about it on Discord. This is a buy above 331.40. We had a nice move up, even breaking 339.45, but now we started to cave in for the last 3 hours of the day. But now with this last candle, I'm thinking that we are at least coming back to 331.40 because we have a long wick at the top, no wick at the bottom. So we tried to go higher and we're squished down. And this is even a red candle. So we closed lower than we opened that candle. Basically, we should be going down to 331.40 at least. And then we'll see if it holds. To be frank, the best case scenario would be to break 331.40 right here. Break that 326.34 where we resided yesterday and continue the move down to 321, 320, which would mean that we would be at the bottom of our bullish channel support. And then on the daily chart, we can wait until we have a little bit of an indication that we want to go higher and then get in at that point and catch the next swing up to 360. This is what we are waiting for. And because of this candle, we might be getting it. There is another possibility. If we look at the lows, this is a low. If you see it, the lows are getting higher. We have another channel right here. So if we don't break this new channel right here, it means that we should be going back to that support. But sometimes stocks are getting stronger and stronger within a congestion zone or even within a bullish channel. Yeah, we saw that in the past too at 194.35 right here. This was a congestion zone. And within that congestion zone, we started making higher lows and higher lows. And this part was at this slope right here. And then we had a break. So there's a slight possibility that this is what is happening right now. So far, this new trend line fits. And if we see that tomorrow that we are breaking lower than that trend line, then this invalidates this hypothesis and we are back into our main bullish channel. In terms of indicators, stochastic is not over 60. DMI is good. Our reversal indicator is not yet bullish either. And going back on the 1 hour chart, there was a way to make money on the 1 hour chart right here. Buying after that candle right here, after the 1 hour candle, closing above 331.40. This was a buy right here. This was the first buy. And then we had a move up. And when you have a move up, you can always set a take profit. After breaking the second resistance right here at 331.45, you could have said, I'm going to sell if we get back lower. So then you could have entered at 336 and sell maybe at 339. Yes, it's only $3. Sometimes it is better than this, but $3 per share, if you bought 100 shares, it's $300. It's $300 in a day, not doing much. It's still pretty interesting, and that could have paid for a 1-month subscription for the private Discord server. Let's take a look at the rest of the market to see how they fared. VIX cooling down. We love this. We are down 0.82. We are back below 17. We are at 1634. Nice to see this. Dow Jones yesterday came close to breaking below 45,210. Today, this was not the best day. Look at this candle. It looks very much like the other one. This is still a bullish candle. It has not gone super high from the close, but it was tested strongly and came back. So this is another stress test that Dow Jones has succeeded. Let's take a look at SPX. So SPX was stress tested also yesterday. Today we are also higher. And look at the similar candle, a longer wick at the bottom, and we have recovered from it. So my interpretation is that the market is really being tested right now. We have sellers that are pushing stuff down, trying to make money down, but then the buyers come in and recover from it. This has happened twice, and the second time, we finished higher than where we were. So today we have closed up 32.74 higher than yesterday. So the stress test is being won in the end by the buyers, and we are also advancing. So this is pretty good. Nasdaq, the same thing. We are higher today, almost 1%. Russell, after the test of yesterday, we have not tested as bad today because we have not touched 23.25. So we have made a higher low, even though we made a slightly higher high. But in terms of indicators, everything is good. Stochastic is good. DMI is good. And our reversal indicator is still bullish. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. Better today. Still lots of red, still lots of black, but we are seeing some green appearing. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, we were following this downward channel. Remember that one? We got outside of it yesterday, but we were still below that 111,940. Today, we are closing above. This is good news. Our indicators have not turned bullish yet, so we need to take that with a little bit of a grain of salt, but at least the number has been breached. So Bitcoin is up 0.82%. 112,270. This is where we are right now. Let's take a look at the Ethereum. So Ethereum is looking better. Look at this. We are up 3% today. We are still in this congestion zone. So, we are still supposed to be zigzagging from one side to the other. And this time we don't seem to be able, which is good, to come down to the support side exactly. We seem to be really holding ourselves a little bit higher. So as I demonstrated a few minutes ago, this is a positive sign within a bullish channel to have a little bit of a move higher, not reaching the regular support. So in fact, we have a little bit of a support right here. We have a little bit of a support. Let's draw this for now. If we break it, it's okay. If we break it, it's okay. We can go down to 4,091 and still be our congestion zone. There's no problem. It's just nice to keep track of that elevated support. In terms of indicators, we don't have anything that is turning bullish except our DMI. And let's take a look at gold and silver a little bit. So gold, we call the buy signal on gold. Look at this. This is continuing. And silver also, we called the buy signal last week on silver, and this is continuing nicely. And now it is reaching the bullish channel resistance. So we'll see if we are not going to cave into that one. In summary, we still need a few more candles to see if we are really starting to make higher lows, higher than the current bullish channel we are in. If so, this could indicate that we are not only bouncing on a new support, which is higher, but also that Tesla stock is gaining strength at the same time. So gaining strength, we are going to be needing that strength in order to break that 372 number that we are really waiting for in order to have a big move up. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.